Sorry for that. We froze up again. We've randomized the divisions already 3 times. We've randomized the names twice. As you can see here, it says you have randomized this list 2 times. I just want to keep it going the exact way we had it, not start over. I don't want to screw anybody up, make sure everybody knows we're in the same spot. So right now we've randomized the names twice. We have Bruce S., Keith W., Scott H., Mike M., Scott H., Bruce S., Paul C., Scott H. Okay? Again, it says you've randomized this list 2 times. So we're going to do it 1 more time. That will be the 3rd one. We will then match it up. Everybody good with that? Everybody have any questions, issues, whatever? Or are we good? I'll make sure we're all good with that. Or if we're good. If everybody in the break wanted me to start over the names, I could start over the names, but that's where we stand, so I figure that's where we should continue from instead of starting it over. We good? All right. Everybody says good. All right, so we're going to do it 1 more time. That'll get us our order. Good luck. Oh, I'm going to move that up. Hold on. I'm sorry. I can't see anything with where I have that. Here we go. Bruce S. is on top. Scott H. is on bottom. 1 more time. Good luck. Boom. Scott H. on top. Scott H. on bottom. Let's match them up. We'll show everybody what they got. We have Scott H., AFC East, Bruce S., AFC South, Paul C., AFC North, Mike M., AFC West, Scott H., NFC West, Bruce S., NFC East, Keith W., NFC South, Scott H., NFC North. Again, Scott H. has NFC North, NFC West, and AFC East. Keith W., NFC South. Bruce S., NFC East. Mike M., AFC West. Paul C., AFC North. And Bruce S., AFC South. All right, I'm going to save that real fast, y'all, and we can get started. Or Russell Wilson would be a dang nice pull as well. NFC West has some big pulls too. I mean, honestly, every division has cards in this that you all could be really, really happy with. Especially when we start getting into like cracked ice autos out of 20 and stuff like that. Every division has potential big hits. No question. All right. We're going to 3 packs at a time. 3 packs at a time. Three packs at a time. All right, we got an auto right away. What we got? Rookie ticket. Bengals, Von Taze Perfect for the Bengals. That is the base version. Congrats to the Bengals. That's not a bad start. Here we go. Base. Alfred Morris, Rookie of the Year contenders for the Redskins. All right, that's first 3 packs. Come on, let's get hot in here. Let's hit a monster. All right, which way are we going? We're going this way. We got an insert for the Broncos, Terrell Davis, Reggie Wayne. We got another auto coming. The Bengals again. Boom Herron. Dan Boom Herron. That is the base. Peyton Manning, MVP. Little AFC West action. Come on, baby. If we get a redemption, it needs to be Russell Wilson. Come on. If we get a redemption, it needs to be Russell Wilson. It's not asking for very much. Next three. Reggie Bush. Colts. Ravens. Giants. Brandon Whedon, Rookie of the Year contenders. Tommy Brady. I see an RG3 insert for the Redskins. Yeah. Dougie Martin. Dougie Martin would definitely be a nice pull. No doubt. There's tons of nice cards in this. Whenever I forget about somebody, then I remember, oh yeah, there's Trent Richardson, there's Ryan Tannehill, there's etc. Base, base. Oh, snap. Don't see very many of those. For the NFC West, these are actually very hard to get. Michael Floyd, Rookie Ink autograph. Actually, dang hard to get. Here we go. Insert Jerry Rice for the Niners.
Your favorite artists are coming to your city.
All right, that's first half of box one. Yeah, I don't like that song either. I kind of like the video, but I don't like the song. Uh-oh. Cracked ice coming. Cracked ice coming. Come on. Be an auto. Dang it, I can see who it is. It's a nice player to have, though. Calvin Johnson. Cracked ice, 19 out of 20. Nice card, NFC North. I believe that's Scott. Lavonte David. Hey, Mike. Sometimes you just got to put it out there, you know. Tom's got a Miley Cyrus poster in his room. Vontae's perfect.
To watch more EDM exclusive from Music Choice and One Beat, go to Music Choice on Demand.
Rookie ticket. Jarrell Robinson, who's in every box. For the Cardinals, G-Rob. G-Rob. MVP, LaShawn McCoy. All right, come on. Let's get hot here. Let's get hot. Where are we going? All right, we're going this way. Browns. Nope. Thought we had a good shot at that being an RPS right there. Bengals. Chargers. I keep thinking we got an RPS sitting in here. Guess not. Adrian Peterson. Are we getting 6 autos per in this? Is that right? 6? Ice would be nice. Here we go. Auto. Again for the Cardinals. Holy cow. Cardinals and Bengals. Ryan Lindley. Ruben Randall. Really? Nope. I thought that was going to be a you-know-who. And we got Cody Sensabaugh. No RPS. We got a rookie ink. No RPS. Cody Sensabaugh for the Titans. Darn it. All right, that's box 1, y'all. Here we go, box 2. We got to get something bigger than that. There's a couple decent cards in there, but we need to make some more magic happen besides that. Here we go. 6, yeah, Tannehill. It's been a little while since we opened this. What do we got here? We got some sort of die cut coming. What is that? That was really weird. I don't remember ever seeing... What am I talking about? Never mind. I thought it was something different. I screwed myself up. I apologize. I got excited when really it was just one of these. MVP, Tony Romo. Sorry. Didn't mean to get anybody excited. I got myself excited. For the Packers, Casey Hayward. Auto. Base, Rookie of the Year contenders, Alshon Jeffrey, NFC North, again. NFC North's been rolling up some cards. Russell Wilson would be nice. That means we need a redemption. If we wanted R. Wilson, that means we need a redemption. Speaking of redemptions, how about that? You want to do it last? We'll do redemption last. I think that's probably a good idea. Base. Phil Simms. We will do the redemption last. I'm not going to say the names of the guys, although we always get in the redemptions. I'm hoping it's Russell Wilson. I didn't say his name. I keep that guy's name out of my mouth. I keep White Sox business to myself. John Elway. Auto, Eagles, Chris Hoke. There's Russell Wilson, Rookie Stallions. It's a dangerous love affair. We need a nice low-numbered auto. We need an out of 20 or championship ticket just to make everybody happy and excited, right? Another auto coming. Tom's boy, Mike Martin. Mikey Martin for the Titans. Titans have doubled up. Packers, Aaron Rodgers, MVP contenders. All right, base. I'll explain later. All right, come on. Let's get going here. Let's pick up some heat. Oh, there's a nice one. For the Jaguars, on card, Justin Blackmon. The AFC South don't just have Andrew Luck. They also have Justin Blackmon. Here we go. Base, Brandon Whedon. Rookie of the Year contenders. Auto for the Rams. I don't think I've ever pulled this card, actually. Out of all the ones I've opened, that's got to be an SP. That just has to be an SP, right? Somebody who knows or wants to look up the checklist and check out how short printed that is, what the print run is, it's absolutely 100% has to be short printed for the NFC West. I had to open 10 plus cases of this and I never saw this card. Trumaine Johnson. If somebody's bored and wants to look it up, I would appreciate it. All right, next three. Terry Bradshaw. Base. RG3, Rookie Stallions. And base. Yeah, I just looked at the SP list the other day. I don't remember what I was looking at. I think I was just going through it, see if anything caught my interest. We got this one and then 3 more, guys. This and then 3 more. AJ Green.
I bought my whole family with no Volvos. Next time I'm in church, please no photos.
Base. For the Jets, playoff ticket. Tim Tebow. Yeah, Tremaine Johnson. 72 out of 99. You didn't see him on the list. That's really interesting, and that's very, very, very surprising to me. Most of those guys that we pull out of those rookie ticket autos, I've pulled 8 to 30 of each of them. That's the first guy that I cannot remember pulling a single one of. That's weird. All right, here we go, and then we'll go to the redemption. We got a base. We got Stephen Hill for the Jets. Alfred Morris. And then we have the redemption. I'm going to check the number of that Tremaine Johnson. That is correct. He's number 193. Hello. You are due to receive a Rookie Tickets RPS. Rookie Tickets RPS. Do we have any guesses? I have my guess already. I'm hoping I'm wrong. Who's got guesses for who this is?
Hey, Audrey. Hey, Claudia. How you doing? Hey, Jessica. I just want to send you this song. Thanks for breaking up with me, by the way. Later.
Be on TV.
Stephen Hill. I see Russell Wilson. Anybody else? TJ Graham. Nick Foles.
One battle.
Oh, Tommy. I thought you would absolutely pick somebody different. I thought you would pick your guy that seems to be like... See, Morris was live. All right. I have not looked, I promise you. It's been upside down the entire time. I'm hoping it's Russell Wilson because that's the biggest redemption that I know of. I'm gonna guess that it is me and Tommy's favorite, Nick Toon. I'm gonna guess it's Nick Toon or Ruben Randall. It's probably one or the other, but I'm still hoping it's Russ. All right, rookie tickets, RPS. None of the above. 233, DeVere Posey for the Texans. 233, DeVere Posey for the Texans. That was the AFC South again, actually. Yeah, not exactly what we were looking for. Let's just be real about it. All right, guys, let me get that resaved. Thanks for checking us out at RipKings.com. Next up is whatever you guys want to break. Let me save that.